Hi, Bob. Good morning, Bob. Are you eating? Make yourself comfortable and unmute yourself once you're ready, okay? What are you eating? Why did you turn off your camera, Bob? Why did you turn off your camera? Okay, what are you eating? Breakfast?
Egg.
Egg?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy eating. Is that what you have for breakfast?
Yes.
Oh, okay, Bob. Enjoy eating. Okay, I hope you'll be full. Now, let me share my screen. I forgot to give you your homework yesterday, so we will have it right now. I know you can do it. Anyways, it's just about the preposition. Can you see it clearly if it's like this, Bob?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now, and here I want you to tell me your answer for the first one.
B.
Okay, she is worried about her exams. What about for two?
About.
Okay, very good. Tell us about your holiday. Next one, Bob, Mr. Collins. Hmm, Mr. Collins always talks.
To yourself.
Okay, very good to himself. Next one, is it?
Until.
Okay, yes, very good. Until means up to a particular time, which is Tuesday in the sentence. Next one.
Mm, Man. At.
Is it at?
Stop.
Is it at? Bomb, are you
Mom.
sure?
Mom.
Okay, so in here, Bomb, it's who's the man in the funny hat? Okay, and we are going to use in here, Bomb, to describe clothing someone is wearing. Okay, just like here, the funny hat. Okay, we can't use at for clothes, Bomb. And when we say
Okay.
from, that is when we describe about origin, not clothing, where someone is from. Like you're from Vietnam. And two does not show what someone is wearing. Okay, so now next one, will you come?
Okay.
Next one
Will
now.
you come by on the bus?
Okay,
On the
on the
bus
bus.
or in
On the
A.
bus. Okay. Will you come by bus or by a late train?
Yes.
Okay, Thank you, Bomb. Okay, which is correct that we are going to use by for bus because it shows us the kind of transport we are using. Okay, will you come by bus? But in here, Bomb, we don't say by a late train. We can say by train, but we have here a late train. So instead, we will use on. Okay, the correct answer here is on. If you can stand while you are on it, Bomb, you will use on. But if you cannot stand while you're in a specific transportation, like for example, a car, taxi, you are going to use in, okay, which is inside. Okay, now next one, Bomb, I saw an accident. What do you think?
At.
Huh? Okay, I saw an accident at my way home.
No. I saw an accident on my way home.
Okay, on my way home. This is the fixed expression here, Bob. We don't say at my way home, in my way home, or to my way home. It's always on my way home. Fixed expression. Next one, the doctor gave me a prescription, blank my cough. Yes, Bob. The doctor.
Quiz.
Okay, okay. Yes. Thank you, Bob. However, the correct answer here is four. Okay. A prescription is for a health problem. So we are not going to use with here because it does not show purpose. Okay, so now in here, Bomb will use for. The doctor gave me a prescription for my cough. What? For. For my cough. Okay, now because when we say with, that is together with something, like for example, I went to the park with my mom. Okay, now next one. I usually stay at home.
Yeah.
I usually stay at home at with and overnight. What is your answer here? It's what do you think, Bob? What do you think? It's okay, yes, it's always at. Though we use in for morning, afternoon, and evening, but it's always at noon and at night. Now, next one, I called you. I called you blank 7 o'clock yesterday. What is your answer?
C.
Okay, I called you at 7 o'clock yesterday. Okay, of course, when we're talking about exact times, will you always use at? Okay, now, next one. Can't you come blank your bicycle? What is your answer? Can't you come blank your bicycle?
Can you come? Cat. You come with your bicycle?
Okay, can you come with your bicycle? However, in here, Bomb would say, can you come on your bicycle. So we'll say on your bicycle because we ride on it. Okay? We
No.
ride on it.
Can't.
Yes, that is right, Mom. Can't you come on your bicycle? That is right, because when we say with, Mom, it means accompanied by, not talking about transportation. In here, we're talking about transportation, which is bicycle. But in here, when we say accompanied by someone, it could be a person. Okay? Person like friends, your cousins, your parents. That is the usage of with. And we can't use in because in is the short for inside. And a bicycle doesn't have any inside parts that you can go in. So as a by. Okay, so the best answer here is on. Okay, next one now. She arrived. Next one, she arrived. What is your answer?
D.
Okay, she arrived. D.
Huh?
She arrived on Friday. Okay, it's
Nope.
why is it no?
Because naughty boy.
Why is it no, Bomb? Can you tell me?
Because B is naughty boy.
In here, Bomb, we're talking about the day of the week, which is specifically Friday. So we are going to use the preposition on.
Huh?
Next one now will go.
So.
What?
A.
A will go Rio in June.
Nope. We go to Rio on June.
Why are you going to use on?
In June.
Okay, yes, it's in June. Okay, because it is general, but we don't really know which specific day of June. Okay, so we'll go to Rio in June. Next one, I was born. I was born. What is your answer here?
Come here.
Okay, just tell me once you're ready.
Okay. I'm happy drinking water.
Okay.
I was born in September 3rd.
Why is it in?
No, but I was born at.
Why is it at, Mom?
Wait a minute. I was born. B.
Okay, yes, it is B. Okay, so in here, Bomb, we, as you've observed, we use to and in because this is general. We don't know what day or what um what day of the what day in June. We don't know the exact date, but in here we know the exact date. It is September 9th. So, which means we are going to use on. Okay? Because it is specific. It's specific. But we use at only for specific time. Okay? Specific time. Like for example, at 7 o'clock. Okay? We don't use it in talking about the days. Okay, now let us have this. I was born. Oh no, not this one. John and Mary are talking. John and Mary are talking.
are talking on the telephone.
Okay, yes, it's always on. Okay, when we're using our phones or computer. Now classes began.
Classes began last week.
Okay, yes, last week. Okay, it's B. Now they took my temperature.
Of.
What is your answer, Bomb? Of. They took my temperature of the operation.
Before.
Okay, yes, it's before. Okay, because in here we're showing that the action happened earlier than the operation. So, of course, we'll use. Okay, wait. Do you want sugar? We don't have in.
On.
Okay, so do you want sugar on
your tea.
on your tea? Okay. Now, what about for this one? I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
Of falling.
Trees. Okay, that's correct. She didn't.
Get a passing grade her test.
Okay, she didn't get a passing grade from, with, at, or of.
From.
From?
Yes.
Okay, she didn't get a passing grade from her test. Okay, yes, it could be, and it is sensible, right, Bob? But in here, from, it suggests the source of something, not the test result. Okay, so in here the best answer would be on. Wait, but we don't. Okay, she didn't get a passing grade. Okay, so since we don't have on here, Mom, the best answer would be from her test. Okay, now next one. I sometimes
Listen.
I sometimes
listen.
listen.
I sometimes listen to the radio or watching TV.
Okay, yes. Or watch watch
TV.
or watch TV. Okay, or watch on TV. Okay, I sometimes listen to the radio or watch on TV. See, okay, the best answer here is B. Okay, now, since we're done with this one, let us proceed to your book. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to tell me whether you like or you don't like these. Okay, now the first one, is it I like or I don't like heavy metal?
Don't like.
What about for 2?
I don't like.
You don't like reggae. 3,
I don't like.
4,
I like.
5,
I don't like.
6.
I like.
Okay, so you like loud songs, Bomb. I see. Now let us have exercise 3. Can you tell me what it means when we say can't stand? Can't stand.
Like this.
What do you mean like this?
We stand lots of times.
Mm-hmm.
We stand lots of time, and then our leg want to
Wants to relax.
yes, but the
Oh.
teacher said we need to do.
Okay, I understand your point. Thank you so much. However, in here, Bob, it is a phrase that we use to talk about the things that you don't like. Okay, so can't stand it means you really dislike something, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, can't stand is not being able to stand, but it means you dislike something. Like, for example, when you said, I I can't stand heavy metal. Okay, I can't stand heavy metal, which means you really dislike it. You don't want to listen to it. Okay, Bob, Bob.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now what about don't mind?
Don't mind like this. Like this. They want us to do bad words, but we doesn't want to do that. That's why we doesn't mind it.
Okay, thank you. However, when we say don't mind, Bomb, it means you feel okay about something and it is not a problem. Okay, it's like so. You are okay with it and
Okay.
it is not good for you. It's not that good for you, but at the same time, you don't find it that bad. Okay, you're just in the middle. Okay, you don't mind. You feel okay about something. It's not a problem to you. Okay, now what about adore?
Okay.
Yeah, adore.
Lower teeth.
Adore means
I don't know too.
okay, so when we say adore, it means you love someone or something very much. Like for example,
Like
um,
I love me.
yes, that's right. You adore B. You love B. Is B with you now?
Yes.
Oh,
He's
you're
sick
taking.
today.
Oh, he is sick. Why? What's the matter with him?
I love him, but he doesn't love me. I love him and he loved Mom, but he threw the garbage to me.
Oh, you have to be patient, because he is not well today, right? Why? What's the matter with him? Does he have a fever?
We put on the AC.
Oh, okay. Does he have a fever? Is he hot?
Yes. I don't know
Oh, I
too, but
see.
he sleep lots of times.
Okay, so you have to let her drink lots of water, if you don't have
He
medicine.
watching his watch.
Oh, he's watching TV. Okay. And you have to cook something for him.
No, my brother's at home too.
Oh, your brother is at home. That's good.
My cousin brothers at
Oh,
home.
your cousin brother. Okay. Now, next one, I'm crazy about. I'm crazy about.
Like this, we are very crazy.
We are very crazy?
Yes.
It means what? Like, you don't know what you're doing anymore?
Yes.
You're out of your mind? No, not like that, Bomb.
No, I am very crazy.
You are very crazy. How can you say that you are very crazy?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so when we say I'm crazy about, it means you really, really like something. Like for example, I'm crazy about um rock music. Okay, it means you really like it. Okay?
Okay.
Now what about
I
I'm a
am a
big
big
fan
fan
of?
of fans. And this, we are a big fan of
Of
um
artists.
lots of like uh
Taylor
big
Swift.
fan of movies.
Yes. Or
Uh, uh,
singers.
yes,
Okay, yes, that
artists.
is yes, or artist. That is right, Bomb. It means you really like something or someone a lot. Okay, now, Bomb, I believe that would be all it for our class today. So I'll see you again on Monday. Take care of yourself there, Bomb. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.